What is this manual? What is this wisdom? This wisdom, this eternal wisdom, the moment you utter the word eternal, it only means something which is ageless, something which existed at all periods of time. It existed in the past, it exists now, it will exist in the future. In fact, it had great relevance then. In fact, it has a lot of relevance to our lives today, what we're all being subjected to. None of us have experienced this, isn't it? None of us have seen what it is to be subjected through this pandemic. We do not know. So here is a knowledge which is as relevant, perhaps, if not more, today than perhaps it was ever before. It's applicable to people from all walks of life. Whether you could be a professional, you could be a person from the corporate, you could be a sportsman, you could be a celebrity, you could be a student, you could be an entrepreneur, you could be whatever you are. Here is a knowledge which deals with people from any walk of life, applicable to any period of time, any problem you have, any concern you have with life. So here is a knowledge, as I've said, which deals with problems, with issues from people from all walks of life, whether you have a problem with parenting, whether you have a problem with managing your health, whether you have a problem with managing your wealth. There are people who have problems with stress, and who doesn't have problems with relationship. So here is a manual which can resolve, whether it could be health management, it could be wealth management, it could be stress management, it could be relationship management, because here is a knowledge which deals with life management. The moment I'm able to manage my life, all these various chapters in my life automatically get resolved. And it's possible a mere hiccup can choke me and I could lose my life. And this is what is happening in life of people. Now, I've had little experience for the past 30 years. I'm only dealing with lives of people. Believe me, I can't understand how they can't deal with what they're going through. They just don't know. And in fact, they come having lost that game. They say, I don't know how to deal with it. And I feel sorry for them, really sorry for them. And I help them out. The point is, action is neutral. So what makes an action good or bad is the intention. Action is neutral. What is your attitude? What is your intention behind the action defines the action. Actions, your consistency is the intellect and the goal. Your mind is that which runs in different directions. Your mind runs hither and thither. But remember I said, when I said the mind and intellect, one of the examples I gave yesterday first, when we spoke of mind and intellect, we said mind is like the running waters, the intellect is like the banks. So it is the banks that must channelize your thoughts in a specific direction. And when your thoughts are channelized in a specific direction, they give you result, success. Another benefit of that is the ideal action. An ideal action has two elements. There is generation of energy. When you are acting consistently, you generate energy. I repeat, when your actions are consistent, they generate energy. Example, when wind is going in one direction, you can harness energy, isn't it? You have these windmills. What are you doing from the windmills? You're harnessing the energy out there. The wind is there, but you're harnessing it and you're generating energy. Hydroelectric power, the water is flowing, you harness it in a particular direction, you're able to generate power. When light is pointed to a single direction, you have laser. Laser can cut through steel. Light can cut through steel. What have you done? You harness light in one direction. Similarly, if you have consistency and if all the members in the organization are given one common goal, whatever roles you play, you can be in marketing, you can be in research, you can be in finance, you can be in admin, you can be whatever role you have to play. But if everybody's actions are given a common point where all the actions are synergized, there's enormous power, there's great energy, and also there is no dissipation of energy. So two things, as I've said. One is generate energy. an ideal action. Second action, there's no dissipation. You usually dissipate your energy in the past worries, future anxieties, and excitement in the present. These are the three avenues you actually drain. Sitting here, where can your mind go? Your mind can go everywhere, isn't it?
I was talking to some of my team members whom I said, this nomination is voluntary and if you wish, you can join. So some of that said, no, it's very complex, wo samajh mein aayega ki nahi and all. And they were right. I mean, obviously. So I think I should thank you so much for, giving all those small, simple examples which we could connect to whatever was, we thought was a very, very complex and, discourses which were there. So thank you so much for making it so easy, so simple, at making us understand, those nuances on this. So thank you so much.
With the professional as well as personal life, I think this information which was given was wonderful. But the program was so well designed to make us understand how to control thoughts by giving it direction and allow us to take hold of the threads of our thoughts and control it in such a way that we enhance not only the personal life, but improve also the professional life to the benefit of self and the organization, and will make our life more meaningful. The 1.5 day program was really enlightening.
Ancient wisdom, which we all know, we have all heard in one way or the other, but make it very relevant in the current context. It is also very appropriate that it was made relevant in the current commercial context, if I may add, and made made relevant for corporates to come and attend. That is very, very significant.
Hari Om to everyone and to all the organizers of this program. My sincere thanks to Guruji for being a truly engaging leader in conducting this program. The case studies were really appropriate, and the whole session was engaging. We have got a number of takeaways, and the good thing is a lot of them were very relevant to the corporate world, and we are very keen to put all this wisdom into our day-to-day lives. So thank you once again, and thanks for all the participants. And the best part of it was we were able to get the perspectives of all the other participants. So it gives us an idea to understand their thought process, and also widens our knowledge and the way how we should approach things. So thank you everyone, and it's been really helpful, and I look forward to the dialogue session.